it's me. How y'all doing? Anyway, so as y'all can see, I got my thing on, but so this video, I'm gonna be attempting to retwist my own hair. So if you're interested and want to see how it turns out, just stick around.
Me blood clot.
Woo! As y'all can see, definitely need a retwist. You feel me? And so I'm gonna try and do it myself. Hopefully it turned out good. If it don't, I definitely will be calling my loctician and getting an appointment because, baby, I know for a retwist, need these and I need this. So let's go ahead and try and do this real quick, you know? Let's see how versatile I can be. If you know me, you know I'm cheap. So if I can teach me a skill that's gonna save me money in the long run, baby, I'm all for it because, honey child, this whole spending money, this whole adulting shit is so ghetto, child. It is so ghetto and I do not recommend it. I be telling my nephew all the time, you think you want to be grown, but when them bills hitting you left and right, and you have got to wake up to go slave just so you can keep a roof over your head, food in your stomach, it ain't gonna be so fun no. It's not gonna be no, goodness gracious, it's not gonna be so fun anymore. You gonna wish you was 8 again and all you had to do was go to 3rd grade and take the trash out every other day, or every 2 days I should say, or wash some dishes, or go to Taekwondo. You gonna wish that was your life again. So how y'all liking my videos so far? Comment below how y'all liking them, what y'all want me to see. I know me and my girlfriend's couple page, we're about to start working on that. So y'all gonna be seeing me and her over there. Pretty sure we're gonna go with AC unit because her name is Asia. I'm sure he's AC. Okay, cool. Glad we got that out the way. Now I had an attempt to retwist my hair in the past, and it didn't come out the way I liked it because I like when they come out like crisp. You ever seen somebody get their locks done and it's like crisp and ooh-wee, you know? I know the video before this was like an hour long, and that's because I'm trying to get monetized, y'all. I'm trying to get to them coins. So I made an hour-long video to hopefully get that 1K subscribers. We still trying to get to 1K. Thank all 100 of y'all for subscribing and showing your girls some love. I'm trying to give y'all new content, but also figure out the content y'all like seeing from me. And I can't know it if y'all not commenting. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta engage with me and let me know what's up. Like, help me find my niche. Help me find what's gonna keep me around. We need to, as soon as Biden and Harris get in office, go ahead and cut that stimmy.
Bruh.
Cut that stimmy, cause we need it. We need that, Joe. We did it, Joe. graduate May 2021 with my bachelor's in social work. Oh my gosh. And y'all in school, what y'all be going on? What y'all got going on in y'all lives? Talk to me. Use the comment box. I'm gonna respond. Nervous. Being the first generation, no graduate from my immediate family. It's so heavy. And I feel like now my kids and my nephew gonna have this pressure on them because I done set the bar. I'm setting the standard. You know what I'm saying? And I know I'm making sure that they know y'all don't gotta follow in my footsteps. You know what I'm saying? My nephew tell me after he gonna be a plumber. Baby, come on. Where we going? Where we going? What you got the program set up? What you gotta do? What you gotta do? Come on, let's do it. He wanna go play basketball? Come on, baby. You wanna be a professional fighter? Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get into it. You get the information, and we gonna get you situated. We gonna be there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we need more black doctors and black people in power, but at the same time, you can't force that onto nobody that's not passionate about it. You understand me? If that's not where your passion lies, you finna be miserable. Clocking into that job every day. Just like, I hate my life. And I don't want that for him or my kids. I don't want that for nobody, baby. That's not happiness. That sounds like slavery. That sounds horrible. My carpet tunnel is not letting me be great, child. This shit is so hard to grip. I feel like my finger's about to lock up on me. Hold up. Let me do it the other way. But I'm gonna insert some clips right now. For the first time I lock my hair and show y'all how I done. Wow. Let me insert some clips for y'all. For me, y'all got any New Year's resolutions, any goals, any plans? You know what I don't understand? Like, you know how you got Christmas traditions and stuff? Like, what's a New Year's tradition? I know for me growing up, it was church. Church for every damn thing. You know, balancing my heart with what I've been taught by my mother in the church, with what I've been taught through school, research, reading, watching, observing. And I don't want to associate myself with anything that spews hate. You understand me? I don't have time for that. Anything that spews hate, I don't want nothing to do with it. I don't even have the capacity to hate someone, let alone try to dictate what they can and cannot do with the free will that we have while being on this earth. Our time on this earth is so temporary, yet we are so consumed with other people's lives rather than our own. Let me figure out what's going on over here in Cherie's world. And then I could worry about you. But right now, I got too much going on to even consider anything going on with you. I can't even be like, that's wrong. Child, I don't know. Are you happy? You okay? Your bills paid? You got food in your fridge? You know, I just feel like there's bigger things to worry about than confining somebody to a box that we don't even know the outcome for. Can we just focus on the spreading love and people's happiness? I feel like I'm about to run out of clips, child. I'm not harming nobody with my life choices. The only harm that can truly be done is to myself. Understand me? So therefore, I'm going to continue making choices that help me sleep at night, that help me look myself in the mirror and be okay with what is looking back at me. Because when I look in the mirror, all I can see is me. I can't see you, your decisions, your mistakes, your lessons and blessings. I don't see none of that. I see Sharice. Turn out, okay? Yeah, I have one of these things coming handy. So I'm about to sit on the disc for 10-15 minutes and then I'll show y'all the result. So it's dried. It's not crisp. I can tell it's not gonna be crisp like how I want it to, but it definitely looks better than it was before. So let me go ahead and take these clips out and then let's see what it's looking like. But I guess the more I practice, the better it will be. You know what I'm saying? So I can't even really be mad at it. Okay, what y'all think? Okay, period, hang time. Come on, y'all. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Okay, it's not too bad. Definitely better than before. So I'm gonna keep. I need to keep something down. Trying to hold the this one down, cause baby, this job just sticking up like nobody's business. So that's it, you guys. See y'all in the next video.